Frugal grocery shopping. Nothing takes a greedier bite of your budget than grocery bills and eating out. Wondering how you can cut some of that extra cost when shopping for your groceries? Then stay tuned because we've got you covered with these 12 tips. 12. Don't go shopping when you're hungry. This is most likely not the first time you've heard this advice, but it's completely valid. This is because when you're hungry, you're more inclined to fill your cart with unnecessary items that grab your attention or things that may not otherwise be a priority. You'll ultimately spend far more. So eat a decent meal first, and you'll be more inclined to stick to your list. 11. Shop at cheaper stores. Another good approach to reducing your grocery bill is to shop at low-cost supermarkets. They are known to feature a large selection of organic, high-quality products at a fraction of the cost. However, you should shop for tea, coffee, and your other domestic laundry supplies in other supermarkets. This way, you can get quality items that will last a long time. 10. Stay away from prepackaged foods. Packaged goods and anything that has undergone processing often come with a hefty premium and an added markup. Even though it might take more time to slice apples, chop lettuce, and peel potatoes yourself, the effort will be well worth it. Plus, you will have more flavorful and fresh foods. 9. Eat less meat. You probably already know this, but meat can be extremely expensive. So eating meals without chicken or steak is an excellent method to save money and keep your food spending within a budget. Try to find some simple ways to make your beef last a little longer. For example, you can make at least 3 meatless dinners per week and substitute meat with a variety of options such as eggs, cheese, and vegetables. You can also think outside the box and try foods from other cultures. 8. Adopt a cash-only policy. If you're having trouble keeping your shopping budget under control, it could be worth considering a cash-only method. Bringing cash assures that you can only spend what you have in your wallet, and it's one of the most basic strategies to keep your food budget in check. It sounds so exotic now that we've entered the age of card and digital payments. If your store no longer accepts cash, we recommend you find a new place. 7. Always have a shopping list. Make a shopping list and stick to it. By not using a list, you risk forgetting something, which means another visit to the store, which equals spending more money. Keep a list on the fridge or somewhere you'll see it and update it as needed. When you're at the store, if an item isn't on the list, don't buy it. 6. Buy in-season produce. When a fruit or vegetable is in season, they are usually less expensive, so stock up on seasonal items. This is simpler in the summer, but fall and winter contain plenty of healthful in-season vegetables as well. Not just that, but the fruits are more vitamin and nutrition dense due to reduced travel and storage time, so they also taste better. 5. Make use of your freezer. One top hack for saving money on groceries is freezer cooking. If you're not sure what it is, it's when you prepare food in large quantities and freeze it in portions for later use. Everything and anything you won't finish should be packed and frozen. Also, purchase more frozen vegetables. They don't require much preparation, cook quickly, and won't wilt or turn into water in the bottom of the refrigerator. 4. Buy in bulk. If you live near a whole food cooperative, you could save a lot of money by purchasing in bulk. But only on non-perishables unless you have freezer space. With other items with no expiration date, such as toilet paper and toothpaste, you can buy them on sale and store them in your closet. 3. Plan your meals ahead. This is yet another foolproof method for saving money on groceries. Gather your favorite recipes and check to see what ingredients are already in the fridge and pantry before making a shopping list for what's left. You will end up saving some money and also avoid waste and excess. 2. Buy generic brands. Is buying a name brand for more money really going to provide you a different result, especially with products like flour, sugar, and rice? So shopping for generic brands can be an excellent way to reduce your grocery bills. That way you'll have more money to spend on important things, like chocolate. 1. Avoid getting a cart. Speaking of chocolates, when next you're shopping for junk for maybe a movie night, how about you forego getting a cart and carry everything you need instead? Make it difficult for you to make another buy. You may not be able to use all these tips every time, but even implementing half of them will undoubtedly reduce your average shopping cost. Even after learning all of these powerful tips I've just taught you, you still not know everything about saving money. Believe it or not, more informations you need are in this video right here. If you will be trying any of these methods, let us know which in the comments below.